Hanap mo ba ang perfect vacation place or property investment for Airbnb? We have Wind Residences and Cool Suite located along Aguinaldo Highway, Barangay Maharlika West. This community is surrounded by beautiful landscape garden, fine trees, and cool weather. With spacious amenities at malapit sa mga sikat na tourist spot dito sa Tagaytay at e-enjoy ang mga local favorites like bulalo at tawilis. Sa loob pa lang ng community ng Wind Residences ay may enjoy mo na at makikita mo ang amenity na napakaluwang. As you can see, madami ding nag-i-staycation dito, kaya very in demand and ideal siya for daily staycation business.
Great day everyone! This is Ed's Realty Guide PH. For today's video, nandito naman kami sa Tagaytay. Merong property sa SMDC dito which is Wind Residences and Cool Suite Residences. Napakagandang opportunity nito sa mga clients na naghahanap ng investment kasi very ideal siya for staycation like Airbnb. Nakita nyo ba kanina ang daming mga guests na nag-check-in? And kung hanap mo ay investment and nasa abroad ka at walang mag-handle ng property mo, don't worry, meron kaming good stay na pwedeng mag-handle ng unit mo dito sa Pilipinas. Kahit nasa abroad ka, magre-receive ka na lang ng income monthly. At ang maganda doon, hassle-free siya. Sila na ang bahala sa check-in, check-out, sila na maghahanap ng guests para sa'yo. Sa cleaning, sila na rin yung bahala. At kung merong mga minimal na mga aayusin, sila na rin bahala doon. Ililes na lang din yung cleaning fee and yung bills. And yung also the handling fee. Anyway, pwede nyo namang pag-usapan ni Good Stay yung about sa contract. Although, mas malaki pa rin yung income ni owner. Ang maganda kasi doon, hassle-free ka na. Meron nang mag-handle ng unit mo. We all know naman na Tagaytay is one of the tourist destination here in the Philippines because of the weather. Ayun, ang lamig nga dito at saka mahangin siya kaya lumilipat-lipat yung hair, ang hangin niya. So, sa mga hanap is nature. Ayan, kung gusto nyo malayo sa traffic and mahilig kayo mag-food trip, Tagaytay, talagang puntahan siya ng mga tourists. Marami din kasing mga pasyalan dito sa Tagaytay and kung mahilig ka magkape, masarap na nagkakape ka overlooking the Taal Lake, di ba? Kaya yung may mga units din kami na overlooking Taal. Kaso ano na yon, mga reopen na lang ang available due to the high demand. We can set a Zoom presentation anytime para ma-explain ko sa inyo ang full details ng property namin dito sa Tagaytay. Here's my Viber or WhatsApp. You can contact me anytime. And itutur ko naman kayo kung ano bang meron dito sa Wind Residences or Cool Suite Residences para makita nyo yung community kung gaano kaganda. Let's go!
Cool Suite is the newest garden complex in the flourishing Wind Residences estate. Nestled within this Tagaytay condominium is a vast assortment of foliage and greenery, making it relaxing escape from the rush of the work week. Surrounded by gorgeous view of the mountains, Taal Lake and Taal Volcano, Cool Suite in Tagaytay City lets you enjoy the beauty of nature alongside the cool breeze that sweep through. Nearby establishment, we have Robinson Tagaytay, Sky Ranch, Casino Filipino Tagaytay, Mahogany Beef Market, Ayala Mall Shirin, famous churches, coffee shop like Starbucks overlooking Taal Lake, restaurants, tourist destination like People Park in the Sky, Sky Ranch, Picnic Group, Zoo, Nuvali, Taal Lake Yacht Club, and Wellness.
At ngayon naman, tignan natin yung amenity dito sa Cool Suite Residences or Wind Residences, project of SMDC here in Tagaytay. More on nature siya. As you can see, maraming pine trees and marami ding mga halaman dito. Ang lamig ng climate dito sa Wind Residences. All Cool Suite Residences. As you can see, ayan yung ating swimming pool. Meron siya for kids and for adult. And ayan naman yung clubhouse. Pag may mga occasion, celebration like debut, birthday, pwede kayo dyan mag-celebrate. Or kahit nakasal. Ang ganda ng jogging path dito. Kung health enthusiast ka, pwede ka mag-jogging. May mga indoor swimming pool din tayo dito and outdoor swimming pool. Meron tayong tennis court, volleyball court, and basketball court. Isipin mo kung nagja-jogging ka dito. Mapipil mo talaga na nasa nature ka. Saka malinis yung hangin. Kaya marami ding mga turista na nagbabakasyon dito, yung gustong mag-unwind, pumupunta dito sa Tagaytay. Kaya malakas ang staycation dito kasi talagang may market siya. Ayan yung kids play area. Ito yung basketball court dito. Maganda dito mag-basketball, hindi mainit. Hindi ka masyadong pagpapawisan. 'Di ba? Ang ganda ng basketball court. Mga health enthusiasts na naghahanap ng condominium na malapit lang sa Metro Manila, I recommend this area. Ayan. Kung mahilig ka naman sa tennis and volleyball, ayan naman, 'di ba? View pa lang, panalo na. Napakalawak ng field dito sa Wind Residences. Pwede kayong dyan mag-jog around with your family and friends. Ayan, may mga kids na naglalaro. Yan, naglalaro sila dito. Nag-e-enjoy sila. Kaya ang bilis na sold out ng mga buildings namin dito. Yan yung Wind Residences. We have Tower 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tower yung Wind. Yung kabilang view niyan is Taal View. Minsan, may mga nagre-reopen dyan, pero nabibili agad, nire-reserve agad. Sobrang hot ng project na yan. Kaya, inopen din namin yung Cool Suite. Ayun. Ganun din, pag may mga nagre-reopen doon, sold out din agad. Kaya maraming nag-aantay kung kailan ba magkakaroon ng next tower dito sa community ng Wind Residences and Cool Suite. At still, nandito ka pa rin sa community ng Wind Residences and Cool Suite. Kahit dyan ka mag-purchase ng unit. Kasi dito talagang pahirapan dyan due to the high demand. Kasi pag merong nagre-reopen, nire-reservahan agad. Sobrang mahirap makakuha ng unit dyan. Kaya kung may interested buyer na gusto talaga dito sa part na to, ang requirements lang is valid ID and sign form para i-waitlist namin kayo, meaning i-line up namin kayo para makakuha kami ng unit, na available sa system. Yun. Marami na ring mga pasyalan dito sa Tagaytay. Pinakagusto ko ditong puntahan yung Napa, overlooking sa city, at saka sobrang lamig niya. Kung tatakbo ka dito kasama yung family mo, kung may kids ka, mahilig maglaro, magandang area. Kung nagbi-business ka naman at hindi mo kailangan magstay sa Metro Manila, best location din itong Tagaytay. And kung hanap mo naman is unwind, na sobrang hectic ang schedule, maganda na may unit ka dito. Vacation unit mo, di ba? Meron kang condo dito sa Tagaytay. And kung other day naman, don't worry, pwede mo siyang parentahan via daily staycation. Para nag-i-income pa rin yung unit mo. Sa mga vacant day, pwede mo kasing ilock yung calendar mo kung gusto mong mag-check-in sa sarili mong unit. Kasi mapupulibok talaga yan. Kaya dapat ilalak mo yung calendar mo.
And now take a look with our sample dress-up unit. 1 bedroom, start 24 square meter. We have kitchen area with lower and upper cabinet. Provision for refrigerator and microwave. You can customize like this after turnover. Let's proceed to toilet area. As you can see, we have a provision for a top-load washing machine, toilet, vanity mirror, shower enclosure, a sink, and a provision for a water heater. And now let's go to the exciting part to our living area. In the living area, you can fit a 2 to 4-seater dining table, which you can customize to save space, and a 4-seater sofa bed. A mirror to widen up the space. You can customize your TV console like this to make it more elegant, and change the partition into this design. It can fit a double-sized bed. You can add decoration like painting, and we have window here for ventilation whether you will use curtain or blinds. Here is the window type air conditioner. You can still add a work table or a vanity closet. Here is the wardrobe closet. If you are interested, contact us now at my Viber or WhatsApp. We can set a Zoom presentation. For clients interested in a penthouse unit, we can add you to the waiting list due to high demand as the system is currently sold out.
Hi! Andito na tayo ngayon sa roof deck ng Tower 3 dito sa Wind Residences overlooking sa Taal Lake. Ito talaga yung pinupuntahan dito sa Tagaytay, yung view ng Taal. And also yung weather na napakalamig. Para ka na rin nasa ibang bansa. Akalain mo, in just few hours away, makakarating ka na dito sa Tagaytay na malamig. Kung mahilig ka mag-unwind, kumain, the best tong location na to. Kaya talagang sellable yung property namin dito and maraming mga nag-i-staycation sa mga clients na gusto ng paupahan. Magandang investment si Wind Residences and si Cool Suite Residences. I-message nyo lang ako sa aking Viber or WhatsApp. I can send you the proposal and computation and also the details of this property. Meron pa tayong mga ino-offer na mga affordable and flexible payment term. Sa mga buyers na gustong mag-invest, the only requirements is government-issued ID, sign form, and 30,000 reservation fee. You can contact me from my Viber or WhatsApp. We can set a Zoom presentation anytime para maipaliwanag ko sa inyo yung full details ng property namin dito sa Tagaytay. Again guys, this is Edelit Langkay, Associate Sales Director 2 of SMBC International, here in YouTube, Ed's Realty Guide PH. Thanks for always watching my YouTube vlog. Sa mga bagong viewers ko, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And see you from my next vlog for more real estate investing. Thanks for watching.